Welcome to Orient Way. This is one of our depots, of which we have many, where we undertake emptying of toilet tanks. We have this equipment across many locations in order for us to empty the toilets, and the process is fairly straightforward. We use this piece of kit here to extract the toilet waste. We then go through a process of flushing the tank itself and then emptying again. And following that process, then we also fill the tank at the top of the train, which then provides the water for flushing through the toilet, etc. We undertake this process at least every 3 days on all of the new trains, and what that means is that we will not be discharging any waste to track in the future.